Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're brand new to Wix or maybe you've just launched your first site and you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by the dashboard, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to access your website's dashboard on Wix, showing you where to find all those essential tools, settings, and analytics that help you manage and grow your site like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating everything Wix has to offer with ease. So let's dive straight in. The first thing you want to do is head to the Sites page on Wix. This is basically the control center where all your websites are listed. Think of it like a collection of folders, each one representing a different project you're working on. If you've got more than one site, take a moment to find the one you want to work with today. When you've located it, click Select Site. This does exactly what it sounds like. Now, Wix knows you want to focus on this particular website. In just a second, you'll be whisked right into the site dashboard. Now, once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to go to Home. This is the main landing area for your site management. Here you can instantly see key details at a glance: your current plan, your domain setup, and whether you have a business email linked up. Think of this page as the receptionist desk for your website. Everything important flows through here, and it's the fastest way to get a sense of your site's health at a glance. At this stage, Wix also gives you the option to add a kit of resources. If you're just starting out, this can be a fantastic toolbox, packed with templates, guides, and even promo offers to help you grow your site. It's a little like getting a starter pack when you begin a new game. Everything you need for a smoother journey is bundled up and ready. Let's talk navigation next. At the top, you'll notice sections like Analytics and Activity Feed. These are hugely helpful for understanding how people are interacting with your site. Analytics is your window into what's working and what's not, whether people are visiting, which pages they like most, and where they're dropping off. Meanwhile, the activity feed lets you see updates as they happen, sort of like a social media timeline, but just for your website's backend. Don't worry if you're not a data expert. Wix does a great job of making these reports readable and actionable, even for beginners. Along the left pane, you'll see a full menu of powerful features and settings. This is basically your handy toolkit for running your online business. You've got options like Getting Paid, which handles all your payment transactions, Sales for tracking orders, Apps, where you can find new functionalities to integrate into your site, Site and Mobile app for managing the look and feel on desktop and mobile devices, Inbox for all your site messages, customers, and leads to keep tabs on your audience, and important marketing tools like Marketing, AI Agents, which is a new feature, by the way, for automating tasks, and automations. There's also the classic Settings, where you can fine-tune pretty much everything about your site, big and small. If you need to make changes to the actual content or design of your site, look for the Edit Site button. Clicking this will transport you directly into Wix's visual editor, where you can tweak layouts, add text, swap images, really personalize everything. This part might take a few moments to load, especially if your site is large, so don't worry if you notice a brief pause. And there you have it. Accessing and navigating your Wix dashboard really is that straightforward once you know where to look. Hopefully, this walkthrough clears up any confusion and sets you up for success as you build your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more practical guides like this, definitely subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.